How to fix Telegram cloud storage issues. If you are experiencing issues with Telegram's cloud storage, it might be due to syncing errors or storage limits. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection because Telegram relies heavily on cloud syncing. Next, check your account storage by going to Telegram settings, then data and storage. Clear your cache if it's taking too much space, as cached files can sometimes cause syncing problems. Also, verify that your device's local storage is not full because Telegram needs space to temporarily store files during sync. Log out and log back into your Telegram account to refresh the connection with the cloud. Have you faced cloud storage issues before? Share your experience in the comments below. Fixing cloud storage issues helps ensure your messages and files sync correctly across all your devices. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.